Hi, it's Liz and welcome to Saddlebrook Soapery. So today I'm going to make like a beachy theme soap with some mermaid tails. So I made some embed, some mermaid tails, and some little shells, which I put in a container and I mixed in some sparkly mica from Vicious Beauties. And so I'm going to take some of that and spritz these mermaid tails with a little rubbing alcohol. And just dip my brush into a little mica and just paint a little glitter, super sparkle glitter, on these mermaid tails a minute. Okay, I also have some like little pearl type things that I made out of this mold, which I will link below. Got it on Amazon. And I poured a little of that sparkly mica in this jar. I just shook it around for these little pearls. So we'll set that aside for later and get our oils ready to go. For my colors, I have this Flash Dance mica from Mad Oils and Dragonfly, it's kind of a blue, from Vicious Beauties, and Hatter's Plush, also from Vicious Beauties. I plan on I wanted to kind of match the color of the mermaid tails and do the fuchsia color on the bottom and then kind of build the blues on top with maybe kind of a white on the very top layer. And my fragrance is going to be this Nature's Garden Island Fresh fragrance.